Okay, so let's take a look at number 21. 21 is z cubed minus 729 p cubed. I don't like that 3. Let's make it look more like a 3. Okay, now clearly the 3's help remind you that you're probably going to use the sum, or in this case the difference of cubes. And the formula for the difference of cubes is a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And what we said to try to help us remember is that if it starts off as a negative, it's the same, it's different, and it's positive. Okay? Which means if you just pay attention to this, you can see clearly A and C don't follow the same format, so they have to be wrong. You also see that this is a negative, so it has to start with a negative. So B is a possibility, but this starts with a positive, so D is not a possibility. So just paying attention to that automatically tells you, if you remember same, different, positive, in this particular question, B is the only answer choice that makes sense. But let's actually do it. So what I did when I taught this is I said, really all you have to do is to say you're taking the cube root of this and the cube root of this. So the cube root of z cubed is z. The cube root of 729 is 9. And the cube root of p cubed is p. Okay? Then you square this value and this value. So if I square z, I get z squared. If I squared 9p, I get 81p squared. And that 81p squared, as I wrote, goes on the back. So from here, you also have the middle term. The middle term is the product of these two, so that's 9zp. And then we said again, same, different, positive, so same, different, so plus, and the back is always positive. And that, if you look, is answer choice B. So there's your answer. There's about 3 questions on this this test that has the difference of cubes in it, or the sum of cubes. Put this formula in your head. It's a useful formula. It's going to help you out. It's one of those big formulas you really want to make sure you know for the final. All right, see you all in the next video.